Need to replace dead battery on Ferris 0-turn IS 500Z 52 inches. How does this bugger come off? There are no instructions in the operator's manual or hints in the parts manual. The parts manual doesn't even mention a battery. Nor does it include it in the diagrams. I believe it's a 26 or 27 horsepower Kawasaki engine. I need answer today or tomorrow. Thanks. Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. The hydraulic oil reservoir has to be moved forward to access the battery. See page 26 in the manual link. Left-click on the line to highlight, right-click to go to it. http://syntech.bosco.com/briggs-document-display/chupuyu. usxfix2.pdf.
Page 26 discusses how to change the oil. So there is no need to remove the large red metal plate over the top of 1/3 of the battery to get it out? Okay. Guess we'll have it try that. Thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.